There's a lot of product demonstration, like you saw just now the mud mask, sometimes Malibu mask, and then the makeup, and from there, they actually upload into the Facebook or Instagram. So that's what that she always do when conducting Jafra Beauty parties.
Ya, udah gitu di Jafra Beauty Party biasanya saya juga bisa mendapatkan rekrut karena Jafra Beauty Party saya mempunyai host. Di situ mereka merasakan produk dan akhirnya pada satu komunitas di sana juga dia bisa join Jafra dan ingin menjadi host juga dan akhirnya terjadilah adanya Jafra rekrut dan aktiviti konsultan.
So through Jafra Beauty Party, she's actually building her own community, her own group of friends, and also the friends' friend. So that's why that apart from doing the product demonstration, there's also a Jafra catalog to really show the other range of the products that we have, and at the same time provide them with the necessary beauty tips and also beauty knowledge to make sure that they are really interested in our Jafra product as well as the Jafra business. And when they are interested, that's where I start to recruit and train them.
Okay. Selain itu, saya juga sering melakukan training dan field management.
So she also provide a lot of training, coaching, motivation, and again with the ultimate aim to actually build more manager in my team.
Ya, itu semua saya lakukan 2+ di setiap every week and training my team to the same. Jadi akhirnya terjadilah duplikasi kepada tim saya.
So I'm doing 2+2+2 every week, meaning to say that I conduct 2 beauty party myself, and I book the next 2 party the following week, and each party I set the goal for myself to recruit 2 new people. So this is a success formula for me, 2+2+2. And when my team see me so successful, that's why I tell them, hey, this is not a secret, this is really doable. And all my team currently is also following my footsteps by duplicating this process, 2+2+2.
Okay. Nah, di sini training activity yang saya lakukan yaitu saya suka melakukan group training. Di situ saya menjelaskan tentang company profile, tentang product knowledge, Jafra business. Biasanya itu rutin dilakukan untuk new konsultan. Dan kita bisa juga datang ke fasilitas, ada guest day dan new consultant training di Indonesia, ada rutinitas setiap bulannya dilakukan.
For my training activities, be conducting group training. Basically, this is like for the new consultant that have already joined me. We call it a new consultant training, where I talk to them how to actually get started. By showing them the catalog, the starter kit, the testers and so on for them to start their business, and also doing and duplicating the Jafra Beauty Party. So usually this is a very small group of about 10 people, 15 people in a very nice environment for me to share what the business is all about.
Okay. Untuk group meeting sendiri, saya biasanya melakukan di rumah, gitu kan. Gak usah harus di tempat hotel ataupun apa. Group meeting itu saya biasanya sharing bersama leader-leader. Di situ kita bersinergi untuk bagaimana berkolaborasi untuk membuat planning harian yang harus dilakukan oleh new consultant, dan planning mingguan, planning bulanan, bahkan planning tahunan, bagaimana caranya bisa menduplikasikan kepada timnya masing-masing. Dan di situ kita mencari solusi juga ketika ada masalah isu kendala yang ada di lapangan.
For group training, usually I do it at home, especially for the smaller group, because that will give us a better collaboration, a better relationship. It's a cozy environment. Apart from the training, apart from the product knowledge, I also ask them what are the challenges that you have in the field. What are the challenges that you have maybe in recruiting? So that's where that I share my experience and help them to overcome whatever challenges that my team have in the field.
Okay. Setelah itu saya juga melakukan one-on-one training, one-on-one meeting. Di situ saya untuk lebih mengetahui bagaimana personality setiap konsultan baru. Di situ saya bisa menyamakan satu visi dan satu misi, satu frekuensi. Begitupun saya pengen tahu apa tujuan mereka untuk join di Jafra.
For the team meeting, basically is actually for those who are already with me for a longer period of time. That's where that we will set our daily goals or our weekly target, monthly or even quarterly, and really see what they really want to achieve at the end of the day. Is it because of they want to join the international trip offered by Jafra, or is it because they want to join certain convention program? So that's why that we strategize and work out a clear action plan week by week, day by day, week by week, month by month with my core team. And that's why that I really try to make sure that I will have a really strong group of my core team working and collaborating together with me.
Dari one-on-one, saya lebih bahagia ketika melihat mereka menjadi lebih baik dalam perekonomiannya sehari-hari.
For one-on-one coaching, it's more like a very personal touch, especially beginning of the month where we have the previous month's result. I will congratulate them for a job well done, or they achieve a certain higher title. So that's why that it's more personal motivation and tell them that hey, keep going, I'm here to support you. So that's what she do during the one-on-one coaching.
Okay. Nah, selain itu saya juga mengikuti training yang ada di Jafra Indonesia. Saya mengikuti JMBA, terus JMB ya Bu. Nah, di situ saya belajar karena manajemen full support untuk kesuksesan para konsultan di Indonesia.
I continue learning from Jafra Academy, especially that from the day I started, there's JDT classes for me, and then JMBA preparing me to become the manager club and also the executive club. Right now, I'm joining Jafra Executive Program to really prepare me, at that time to prepare me to become an ambassador. And also the next one, I'll be joining the Jafra Circle of Success to equip myself to become brand ambassador. Hopefully I can actually achieve my higher dream. And I continue to learn, I continue to work very hard. And with the support of Jafra management team in Indonesia, I feel really very positive and definitely will continue learning day by day.
Ya, nah di sini saya juga apa yang saya lakukan yaitu saya selalu melakukan rutinitas dengan kalian juga bisa dengan Jafra Beauty Party. Terus di situ juga training tim untuk menduplikat tubeless itu sebagai kultur kami di Indonesia. Dan saya juga menyarankan bahwa konsultan saya dan tim saya untuk mengikuti Jafra Academy di Indonesia.
Basically, I have no secret at all. I'm doing what Jafra has really taught me. Just like starting from a very basic, doing Jafra Beauty Party, and then duplicating the system 2+2+2. I myself do it, my team do it, and everyone in my group also did it. I also encourage all my network to join the Jafra Academy in order to improve ourselves.
Ya, selain itu juga saya continue untuk personal group saya juga, dan di sini saya juga selalu menyiapkan waktu untuk bagaimana diskusi, bagaimana caranya dia mengejar pencapaiannya, achievementnya dalam setiap bulannya.
So I also spend time to build my personal group, not only taking care of my downline, but my own first generation. I continue to build them and spend time really with my core team to discuss the money goals and also their achievements.
Ya, selain itu juga saya juga akan full support untuk tim saya. Begitupun ketika mereka mendapatkan kendala, di situ saya akan mencarikan solusi. Jadi tidak fokus kepada kendalanya, tapi saya memberikan solusi untuk mereka secepatnya bisa move on.
In the field, there's full of challenges. There's a lot of rejections, and some of my downline actually sometimes came. They feel so demotivated because of challenges that they face. But for me, I think challenges is always there. what is important for me as a leader is to continue to motivate and give them a way out. Share with them what will be the focus to move on and not really worrying about the problems that they had. So I provide advice, offer solution, and really motivate them to continue to be successful with Jafra.
Okay. Selain itu, di Jafra untuk bisnis ini, ketika orang baru join dan sampai saat ini, itu perlu dengan kesiapan hati. Karena untuk menjalankan bisnis ini, kita perlu menguatkan mental dan memahami karakter orang lain, bukan hanya kita yang ingin dimengerti oleh orang lain.
So for me, the mental readiness is really very important. Not only getting to know about the product, the system, the business, the readiness of us to be successful, and then the readiness to really go all out, put our hearts and soul together in the business, to really go all out to run to manage our Jafra business.
Ya. Selain itu perlunya dukungan dari keluarga. Saya full support sampai saat ini. Saya dapat support dari orang tua, begitu juga ibu saya, karena saya cuma tinggal ada ibu ya Bu. Terus suami dan anak-anak itu sangat berpengaruh untuk saya. Selain itu mendapatkan ridhonya dari Tuhan.
I also want to mention that not only for me to have a strong team, but I also want to share that I'm very blessed and thankful. I still have a mother with me, so the blessing from the mother, the support from the husband, and also the children, because I work many hours in the day, especially weekends. I'm away from the family, but most important thing is to have the full support from the loved ones.
Selain itu, support dari manajemen juga itu sangat berpengaruh, memberikan semua fasilitas untuk kemajuan para leader, begitupun para konsultan di Indonesia.
Also, the support given from Jafra Indonesia, especially my area sales manager, that work with me very closely, and also my sales director, the whole management team, be it marketing department, finance, or even the operations department, we really need to collaborate together as a team.
Okay. Selain itu, saya sangat bangga sekali karena saya dengan tim saya di situ membuat kenyamanan, kekompakan tim di dalam Jafra Team Smart, itu membuat kenyamanan, kekeluargaan, sehingga saya juga bisa berkomitmen selain untuk diri sendiri, bisa berkomitmen juga untuk memberikan loyalitas penuh untuk mencintai bisnis Jafra ini.
So Jafra business not only about myself, but I'm already building a big family, with my group, and my team currently we call Jafra Smart, and I continue to support them.
Ya, selain itu di sini juga saya bisa meluruskan tujuan kembali untuk membantu orang menjadi lebih baik dalam kehidupannya, dan saya ingin memberikan yang terbaik. Selain untuk keluarga saya juga di sisa hidup saya ingin bermanfaat untuk orang banyak.
And this is my commitment to my team, Smart team. I love all of them, and at the moment I have 10,000 active downline in my entire group.
Yeah.
And our active consultant team.
I love Jafra. Jafra is my life.
So she knows I love Jafra, and Jafra is my life. Yes, next.
I was asking, can she speak about how she uses her team uses social media? How does she